Hi students, welcome to Pharmacognosy class. Today's topic is hallucinogens. Last class we have seen what is hallucinogen and the definitions we have seen. What of the about the hallucinogens we have seen. Today class we have seen this. We can see some of the drugs which are being producing the hallucinogenic effects. Hallucinogens are natural and synthetic substances that when ingested significantly it will alter one's state of consciousness. Hallucinogenic compounds often cause people to see, that is, or think random colors, patterns, events, objectives that actually does not exist. People sometimes have different perception of time and space. They hold imaginary conversation. They believe they hear music, experience some smells, taste and other sensations which are actually does not present, which is not real. So the hallucinogenic compounds will make an imaginary situation to the people who are consuming that compounds, that they can able to hear some music, they can able to smell some different things, everything they will believe, but that actually which does not exist. Other names of hallucinogens are cartoon acid, microdot, California sunshine, psilocybin, magic mushrooms. Some common sources of hallucinogenic plants are fungi, lysergic acid derivatives, Indian hemp, and other higher plants. In this slide, I have given some of the important plants which are producing the hallucinogenic effects. I have highlighted the words which are already you have read, that is belladonna, Atropa belladonna, Areca catechu, Lobelia inflanta, that is Catranthus roseus, then fennel, tobacco, some of the plants, henbane, that is Hyoscyamus niger. This is already you have heard these names. So already we are utilizing this also. Datura, these are all some of the plants we are using in the day-to-day life. And these plants are seems to produce the hallucinogenic effects also. Apart from their medicinal uses, these plants will produce the hallucinogenic effects also. As I said earlier, fungi, some of the fungi will also produce the hallucinogenic effects. Some of them are Amanthus species, the fly agaric species, hallucinogenic Mexican mushrooms, puffballs. A number of Amanita species, besides promoting the hallucinogenic effects, they are extremely toxic also. The appearance of serious symptoms is considerably delayed after the ingestion, by which time effective treatment becomes difficult also. Some three classes of toxins in Amantis species we can able to see. That is three type of compounds we can able to see: tryptamines, cyclic peptides, isoxazole alkaloids. In that one, the very serious symptoms delaying compound is amatoxins. Okay, this compound will show a delayed symptoms, so that it will make the treatment also very difficult one. The fly agaric is readily distinguished by its red or orange cap, often covered with white flecks. It contains a mixture of isoxazole alkaloid, ibotonic and mucimol. Okay, so it is a mixture of different compounds. The pharmacological effect appears within an hour or some ingestion also, with an initial period of excitation followed by muscular twitches. A slowed pulse rate, impaired breathing, delirium, and finally it's lead to coma also. Ingestion is very rarely fatal also. It is used as a embryon. It is considered to be a or suggested to be a soma of Rig Veda. Hallucinogenic Mexican mushrooms. A number of small toadstools, particularly a species of psilocybe, that is psilocybe mexicana, cononocybe, that is cononocybe synopsis, and stropharia. The one symptoms after ingestion of fungi is rapid and includes inability to concentrate and occurrence of hallucinations. The active constituents which are present in this type of mushrooms are tryptamine derivatives. That is the main one is psilocybin and psilocybe. Puffballs. The species of Lycoperdra contains uncharacterized constituents, produces auditory hallucinations, and a state of half an hour after the consumption. The effects are distinct from those caused by the mushrooms. You can able to see the pictures of the puffballs mushrooms. I have given some of the hallucination containing drugs. Fungus we have seen. Next one is belladonna, Atropa belladonna. I think you are very familiar with this plant. So its common name is deadly nightshade leaves. Botanical name is Atropa belladonna. The parts is aerial parts of the plant we are utilizing. Family, it is Solanaceae family. Mostly we are utilizing the leaves. Dried leaves of Atropa belladonna will be utilized. Active constituents which is present in this Atropa belladonna are atropine, hyoscyamine, atropamine, belladonnine, hyoscine. Medicinal use of Atropa belladonna. The belladonna can be fatal to most carnivorous animals and humans, but the same dose have a very little effect upon most birds and plant-eating animals. Children are often poisoned by the berries, mistaking them for the cherries or other sweet fruits, because the color of the fruit will get a characterized. The children can't able to found out, so that it may lead to the poisoning also. In larger doses, belladonna acts upon the cerebrospinal system as showing such symptoms such as dilation of the pupil. This mydriatic effect will be produced, obscurity of vision, blindness, visual illusion, sometimes occasionally disturbance of hearing, numbness of the face, confusion of the head, giddiness, and delirium can also be resulted. Apart from that, it will produce a hallucinogenic effect also. Indian hemp. The biological name of Indian hemp is Cannabis sativa, also Cannabis indica, Cannabis ruderalis. That is some of the species which is producing these three compounds are mainly producing the hallucinogenic effects. The three products which are being obtained from this are Indian hemp or ganja. Already you have known this name, ganja. Next, it contains not more than 10% of its fruits, leaves, and also stem. Bengal ganja is being prepared by rolling the wilted tops between the hands. Second name is bhang. It consists of large leaves and twigs of both male and female plants, used in India for smoking either with or without tobacco, and drugs such as opium or datura. Another one is charas or churas. It is a crude resin which is being obtained by rubbing the tops between the hands, beating them on cloths or carpets. The resin is scraped off and used as an ingredient in numerous smoking mixture. I think already you are also very familiar with this drug. In assignment, I will list out some of the drugs. You have to prepare the biological source, active constituent, and uses of that particular drugs which are producing the hallucinogenic effects. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.